Welcome to the Skillclear UK immigration modules. This module covers general options for UK employers looking to maximise their hiring potential and for people who wish to come here to work. Each option has an expanded module elsewhere on our site www.skillclear.co.uk. There are 6 main routes to allow you to work in the UK: employment, investment, business, nationality and permanent residence, partners, and study. Let's start with employment. Your current overseas employer can send you to the UK to work for their UK branch. You can come to work full-time if you're currently quite senior, or train UK staff members or be trained yourself. There are benefits to this route which make things a little faster, but there are also some negatives, such as the inability to qualify for permanent residence in due course. So often getting a new job offer is preferred. Your UK employer will need to be registered to sponsor you and then obtain your work permit and visa. The job itself must be skilled as per government guidelines, and there are a few processes to get right. If you are already here and have graduated from a verified UK course, this process is easier for you. In general, if you qualify, this is an excellent route to work in the UK. It is also worth noting that Tier 1 general migrants can keep renewing their visa until April 2015, after which they are expected to qualify for permanent residence when their visa expires. Tier 1 is an excellent route and allows individuals to hold their own personal work permit and can work for UK employers permanently or on contract. Let's tackle the investment route. If you have access to at least £200,000, you can come to the UK to start a new business or invest in an existing business. Students already in the UK whose colleges can verify a good business plan can often achieve this by showing only £50,000. Having access to over £1 million, of course, makes it much easier with a fairly fast-track route to come to the UK to invest and live. Business. Another viable route is for your overseas employer to post you to the UK to start a branch office for them. This of course allows you to work here and to take on more employees. It is also very useful as you can contract with UK clients without needing any other work permits. Nationality and permanent residence. Of course, if you're an EU national, you can come to the UK to work without the need for a visa. It is wise, however, to obtain a simple registration to prove that you are able to do this. Permanent residents can also work full-time and do not require a visa. If you are related to a UK national, you may be able to claim a form of UK citizenship, which would mean you would not need a visa to work here. If you are a national of certain countries such as Australia, Canada, Japan, Monaco, New Zealand, Hong Kong, Republic of Korea or Taiwan, and you are under 31 years of age, there is the Working Holiday Visa, which allows you to work here for 2 years. And if you are a British Commonwealth national and have a grandparent born in the UK, there may be a claim you can make for ancestry, which allows you to come here for 3 years to work. Let's look at the partner route. If you are married to or in an unmarried relationship with a UK or EU national, or anyone who has permanent residence here in the UK, there is a possibility you can obtain a family-based visa with the right to work full-time for any UK employer permanently or on contract. This is subject to a financial requirement in the case of the UK visa. And anyone who is here as the dependent of someone who has the right to work, you can also work full-time. Finally, let's talk about studying. If you are a student in the UK or are about to come to study, you may be allowed to work for between 10 to 20 hours a week during term time and full-time in the holidays. I hope this has been of some use to you. Please do look out for other modules on a variety of subjects on our website and YouTube. Thank you.